Welcome to microbiology classroom. Today I want to discuss about the culture media, microbiological culture media. Microbial culture medium or growth medium is a solid or liquid preparation of nutrients used to grow, transport and storage microorganisms. Actually, a growth medium is a mixture of nutrients and other chemicals and water that microorganisms require for growth. Culture media is a nutritional preparation used to provide nutrients for the growth and multiplication of microorganisms. Culture media contain substances that are necessary to support the growth of microorganisms. Due to diversity of microorganisms and diverse nutritional requirements of microorganisms, different culture media are devised. Microbiological laboratories, research centers for their experiments require cultures of bacteria, fungi, algae. These microorganisms are cultured on different culture media and stored at refrigeration temperatures. Louis Pasteur first devised culture media. Louis Pasteur used chicken broth, meat broth, etc. for cultivation of bacteria. Robert Koch first used cut boiled potato slices as a solid media to culture bacteria. But all bacteria do not grow on cut potato slices. Their nutritional requirements will vary. Only few species of bacteria can able to grow on potato slices. So Koch in 1881 used gelatin, 5 to 10% gelatin as a solidifying agent to convert liquid media into solid media. He allowed to set this gelatin containing nutritional media on flat glass plates. But gelatin has serious disadvantage. It is undergoing liquefaction at 24 degrees centigrade, whereas human pathogenic bacteria will grow best at 37 degrees centigrade. Fanny Alchemius Hesse, wife of Walter Hesse, suggested to her husband to use agar-agar as a solidifying agent in bacteriological media. Fanny Hesse had used the agar in the preparation of fruit jellies. Walter Hesse, Koch assistant, suggested to Robert Koch to use agar as a solidifying agent in microbiological culture media. Koch introduced usage of agar as a solidifying agent. Agar melts at 98 degrees centigrade and sets at 45 degrees centigrade. Approximately 1.5 to 2% of agar-agar is employed in solid media. In 1887, Julius Richard Petri, Koch assistant, invented circular shallow dish with an overlapping covering known as Petri dish or Petri plate for pouring culture media and solidification of the culture media and subsequent culturing of bacteria. Agar-agar is a complex polysaccharide composed mainly of D-galactose 3,6-anhydro-L-galactose and D-glucuronic acid. Agar was first discovered as a solidifying agent by a Japanese innkeeper, Minoru Tajimon, who threw out extra seaweed soup and discovered next day that it had gelled during cold winter night. Agar-agar is extracted from red algae such as Gracilaria, Gelidium, Gigartina and Chondrus crispus. Applications and uses of culture media. Culture media are employed for cultivation and identification of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Microbiological culture media are employed for isolation of pathogens from clinical specimens collected from patients for a diagnosis of infectious diseases. After growing pathogen in pure culture, it is possible to identify them by cultural characters, microscopy and biochemical tests. Culture media are employed in sterility testing of pharmaceuticals and drugs. Culture media are employed in food and water analysis. Culture media is also used in large scale for commercial production of products such as antibiotics, enzymes, organic solvents, organic acids, vitamins, amino acids, vaccines, etc. Culture media are employed in the enumeration of microorganisms in various materials like soil, milk, water, etc. by viable count method. Culture medium must contain all the nutrients required for growth of microorganism. The basic requirements of culture media are energy source, carbon source, electron source or reducing power, nitrogen source, sources of oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, salts such as potassium, sodium, magnesium, iron, calcium, and trace elements such as copper, zinc, molybdenum, manganese, boron. Growth factors including amino acids, vitamins, nucleotides. Water, a satisfactory pH, adequate oxidation, reduction potential. Common constituents of culture media. What are the common constituents of culture media? Water, electrolytes, peptone, meat extract, yeast extract, beef extract, malt extract, agar-agar, inorganic salts are the common constituents of culture media. Water is a source of hydrogen and oxygen, and biochemical reactions in cell takes place in presence of water. Electrolytes, sodium chloride or other electrolytes are required for the growth of microorganisms. Peptone is a complex mixture of partially digested proteins prepared from animal or vegetable proteins such as meat, casein, gelatin, etc. by enzymatic hydrolysis. Peptone contains proteases, polypeptides, amino acids, inorganic salts, accessory growth factors such as riboflavin and small amounts of carbohydrates. It is a principal source of organic nitrogen. Meat extract is commercially available as Lablemco. It is a aqueous extract of meat. It contains protein degradation products, proteases, polypeptides, amino acids, carbohydrates and growth factors. Yeast extract. It is an aqueous extract of yeast cells commercially available as powder. It is very rich source of B vitamins. It also contains carbohydrates, amino acids, peptides, etc. Beef extract, an aqueous extract of beef tissue available in the form of powder. It contains carbohydrates, organic nitrogen compounds such as amino acids, water soluble vitamins and salts. Malt extract, it is obtained from barley. It is used in culture media employed for cultivation of fungi and yeasts. It has a pH of 5.5. It is rich in maltose sugar. It is a source of carbon and amino acids. Agar-agar, it is most commonly used solidifying agent in microbiological media. Agar-agar is a complex polysaccharide sulfogalactone extracted from red algae, Rhodophyceae, Gelerium and Gracilaria. It is not utilized by microorganisms as a nutrient. Inorganic salts of potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, iron and trace elements like manganese, molybdenum, copper, zinc, cobalt, etc. are employed in culture media. The characteristics of ideal culture medium. Ideal culture medium should have certain characteristics. It must contain nutrients and often species specific nutrients. It must contain enough moisture and suitable pH. It must be sterile before cultivation of desired microorganism in the medium, and it must give a satisfactory growth from small inoculums, ideally from a single cell. So it should be very rich so that a single cell will grow in the medium. It should be very easy to prepare. It should be reasonably cheap, and it should give a rapid growth of microorganism when microorganism is cultured on it. Culture media are classified into different types. Based on physical state of culture media are categorized into three types: liquid media, solid media, semi-solid media. Liquid medium. What is liquid medium? Medium exists in liquid state. Nutrients are dissolved in distilled water and pH is adjusted. Then medium is sterilized and used for cultivation of microorganisms. Bacteria generally cultured in liquid medium. Bacterial growth in liquid medium is indicated by formation of turbidity, cloudiness. Examples to the liquid medium: nutrient broth, peptone water medium. Solid media. Solid medium is used for cultivation of microorganisms, exists in solid state. The medium used for cultivation of microorganisms exists in solid state. 1.5 to 2% of agar is added to liquid medium for conversion of liquid medium into solid medium. After pH adjustment, the medium is heated in water bath to dissolve the agar. Then it is autoclaved for sterilization. After autoclaving, after sterilization, culture medium is poured into sterilized Petri plates or sterile culture tubes near Bunsen flame in laminar air flow to prevent contamination. After pouring, the medium is allowed to set. Medium generally sets at 45 degrees centigrade and forms gel. Examples to the solid media are nutrient agar medium, McConkey agar medium, EMD agar medium for cultivation of bacteria, potato dextrose agar medium for cultivation of fungi. Semi-solid media. The physical consistency of medium is between solid and liquid, so it is called semi-solid media. To the liquid medium, 0.6 to 0.9% agar is added to convert it into semi-solid medium. Semi-solid medium is used in Krejcik's cube experiment to determine motility of bacteria. Based on chemical composition of media, culture media are classified into three types: non-synthetic medium or undefined medium or natural medium. Second one is synthetic medium or defined medium. Third one is semi-synthetic medium or semi-defined medium. First, what is non-synthetic medium or undefined medium or natural medium? The name itself indicating non-synthetic medium or natural medium. Non-synthetic medium means it is prepared by using natural ingredients whose chemical composition is not known. Non-synthetic medium or natural medium is also known as chemically undefined medium. Non-synthetic medium contains ingredients whose chemical composition is not exactly known. Usually non-synthetic media contain undefined components like peptone, beef extract, yeast extract, meat extract, blood or serum, etc. Non-synthetic media are usually employed in microbiological laboratories to grow microorganisms. Non-synthetic media are very useful. They can be sufficient to meet nutritional requirements of many different microorganisms. Non-synthetic media is particularly advantageous in case of isolation of microorganisms whose nutritional requirements are not known. Examples to non-synthetic media: nutrient broth, nutrient agar. Synthetic medium or defined medium. What is synthetic medium or defined medium? The synthetic medium is also called chemically defined medium. Synthetic medium is prepared completely from pure chemical substances in precise amounts. Therefore, the exact chemical composition of the medium is known. So, it is called defined medium. Different synthetic media are widely employed in research field. Synthetic media are used to determine metabolic requirements of different microorganisms. Exact nutritional requirements of a particular microorganism can be determined by using synthetic media. Examples to the synthetic media are synthetic medium for culturing nitrifying bacteria such as Nitrosomonas nitrobacter. This medium contains ammonium sulfate, dipotassium monohydrogen phosphate, magnesium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, magnesium chloride in distilled water. Another example to synthetic medium is medium for cultivation of Escherichia coli. It contains ammonium dihydrogen phosphate, glucose, sodium chloride, magnesium sulfate, dipotassium monohydrogen phosphate dissolved in distilled water. pH is adjusted to 7.2. Semi-synthetic medium. What is semi-synthetic medium? If the medium consists of some chemically defined ingredients and some chemically undefined ingredients, it is called semi-synthetic medium. The chemical composition of this medium is partially defined, completely not defined. It is partially defined. For example, peptone water medium is made up of peptone and sodium chloride dissolved in distilled water. And potato dextrose agar is another example to semi-synthetic medium. Potato dextrose agar contains peeled potato tubers 200 grams, dextrose 20 grams, agar 20 grams in 1 liter distilled water. pH is adjusted to 5.6. This medium is partially defined. Peeled potato tubers, this is natural ingredient, and dextrose is synthetically pure chemical. So it is semi-synthetic medium. Culture media is another manner classified into two types: simple media, complex media. Based on chemical composition and function application, culture media are divided into two types: simple media, complex media. Simple media is also known as basal media. The medium contains basic components for growth of bacteria. This medium contains carbon source, energy source, growth factors, etc. It is also called basal media. No special ingredients are present in this medium. In many laboratories, simple media are used routinely for culturing microorganisms. So this media is also called routine laboratory media. Example, peptone water medium, nutrient broth. These are liquid media to culture bacteria. Nutrient agar is a simple solid media for cultivation of bacteria. Potato dextrose agar PDA medium is a simple medium, solid medium for cultivation of fungi. Complex media or special media. Complex media or special media, second type of medium. Complex media contain special ingredients for bringing out certain characteristics to provide special nutrients required for growth of organisms. Such media is called complex media. Complex media contains special substances. To the simple medium, some special substances are added for bringing out the characteristics of the organisms or to provide special nutrients required for growth of the organisms or to select special group of organisms from mixed cultures. So such media are called complex media. Complex media is of different types: enriched medium, enrichment medium, selective media, differential media, indicator media, biochemical media, sugar media, transport media, anaerobic media. Enriched medium is a complex medium. To the simple solid medium, some special substances such as blood or serum or egg fluids are added to improve the nutritional quality of the culture medium. This media is called enriched media. Enriched media is used to grow fastidious microorganisms which require special nutrients for their growth and which do not grow on simple media. Examples to enriched medium are blood agar medium, chocolate agar medium, Lowenstein-Jensen medium, Loeffler's serum medium. Blood agar medium: to the 100 ml of sterilized nutrient agar in molten state at 55 degrees centigrade, 10 ml of citrated aseptically drawn sheep or goat or horse or ox blood is added near Bunsen flame and mixed and poured into Petri plates. So this medium is called blood agar. After solidification, it is used for cultivation of fastidious bacteria. Neisseria meningitidis, commonly called meningococci. Neisseria gonorrhoeae, commonly called gonococci. Streptococcus pneumoniae, commonly called pneumococci, which do not grow on nutrient agar medium, grow well on blood agar medium. Blood agar medium is not only enriched medium, it is also differential medium. It differentiates different bacteria into different types. Chocolate agar medium. Chocolate agar medium, certain bacteria require growth factors present in red blood cells for their growth. When blood agar medium is heated gently in water bath from 55 degrees centigrade to 75 degrees centigrade, blood agar becomes brown in color due to disruption of red blood cells and nutrients present in erythrocytes are released from erythrocytes into medium. Haemophilus influenzae grow well on chocolate agar medium than blood agar medium due to availability of factor 5 hematin released by lysis of red blood cells. So Haemophilus influenzae do not grow on blood agar, grow well on chocolate agar. Why it is called chocolate agar means it is brown in color. The medium is brown in color, so it is called chocolate agar medium. Loeffler's serum medium, it contains serum. It is used for isolation and cultivation of Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Lowenstein-Jensen medium, it contains egg fluids. It is enriched medium due to presence of egg fluids. It is used for isolation and cultivation of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Enrichment medium is a liquid medium. To the simple liquid medium, some special substances are added. These special substances inhibits the growth of unwanted bacteria and favors the growth of desired bacteria. Such liquid medium is called enrichment medium. When mixed culture is inoculated into this medium, unwanted microorganisms do not grow. Desired bacterium will grow and multiply. Examples: tetrathionate broth, selenite F broth, alkaline peptone water medium. Tetrathionate broth is an enrichment medium for isolation of Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi from feces. Tetrathionate broth contains tetrathionate which inhibits the coliforms, and in presence of tetrathionate only Salmonella will grow. Selenite F broth is also enrichment medium for isolation of Salmonella and Shigella from mixed samples. Alkaline peptone water medium at pH 8.6 is a enrichment medium for isolation of Vibrio cholerae from fecal specimens. At pH 8.6 only Vibrio cholerae will grow. Other bacteria die at 8.6 alkaline pH. Selective medium is a solid medium. Addition of certain substances to simple solid medium promotes the growth of the desired bacterium to form colonies and inhibits the growth of unwanted bacteria when mixed culture is inoculated into selective medium. So this medium is called selective medium because it contains certain substances which promotes the growth of desired bacteria and inhibits the growth of unwanted bacteria. Yes. Selective medium is one which prevents or retards the growth of unwanted microorganisms while permits and promotes the growth of wanted microorganisms to form distinctive colonies. The selective action of the medium is due to addition of certain chemicals to the medium. For example, addition of crystal violet dye in the culture medium selectively inhibits the growth of gram-positive bacteria and permits the growth of gram-negative bacteria. Examples to the selective media: mannitol salt agar medium. Mannitol salt agar medium is a selective medium for isolation of pathogenic staphylococci, Staphylococcus aureus from clinical specimens. It contains high concentration of sodium chloride which inhibits the growth of all other bacteria except pathogenic staphylococci. Pathogenic staphylococci ferment mannitol present in the medium and produce acid which turns surrounding medium yellow. Surrounding pathogenic staphylococci colonies form yellow halo. Mannitol salt agar medium contains phenol red indicator. Phenol red turns yellow when mannitol is fermented. Staphylococcus aureus ferment mannitol, so colonies turns to yellow, whereas other staphylococci do not ferment mannitol, so medium remains in red color, colonies remains in red color. MacConkey agar medium is another selective medium for isolation of Enterobacteriaceae bacteria from mixed culture. MacConkey agar medium contains sodium taurocholate bile salts. In presence of bile salts, only intestinal bacteria will grow and non-intestinal bacterial growth is inhibited. It also contains crystal violet. Crystal violet, it is selective for gram-negative bacteria. Gram positive bacterial growth is inhibited in presence of crystal violet. Due to presence of sodium taurocolate, bile salts only intestinal bacteria are selected in McConkey agar medium. In that way, it is selective medium. McConkey agar is used for isolation of Enterobacteriaceae bacteria, Escherichia coli and related organisms like Klebsiella, Enterobacter, Salmonella, Shigella, Proteus, etc. from clinical specimens or mixed cultures. EMB agar medium is used as a selective medium for isolation of Pseudomonas from mixed cultures. EMB agar and endo-agar media are used as a selective media for isolation of Enterobacteriaceae bacteria from mixed cultures. Cetrimide agar medium is used as a selective medium for isolation of Pseudomonas from mixed cultures. Pseudomonas is resistant to cetrimide and grow in cetrimide agar, and other bacteria cannot grow in this medium. Crystal violet blood agar medium is a selective medium for isolation of streptococci and pneumococci from clinical specimens. Selective media such as TCBS agar and Mansursu, gelatin, tellurite, taurocolate agar at pH 8.6 is used for isolation of Vibrio cholerae from fecal specimens. Lowenstein-Jensen medium LJ medium is used for isolation and detection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis from clinical specimens such as sputum. This medium contains malachite green, a dye which inhibits all other bacteria except Mycobacteria. Differential media. What is differential medium? Differential medium is a culture medium containing certain substances which help to bring out differing characteristics of bacteria and helping to distinguish different bacteria. Such a medium is called differential medium. Examples include McConkey agar medium. McConkey agar medium is a selective differential or indicator medium. In the McConkey agar medium, crystal violet inhibits gram-positive bacteria and bile salts inhibit non-intestinal bacteria. In that way, it is selective medium. Gram-negative intestinal bacteria, Enterobacteriaceae bacteria, grow in this medium because they are resistant to bile salts. This medium differentiates Enterobacteriaceae bacteria into two groups: lactose fermenters, non-lactose fermenters. Otherwise, three groups: lactose fermenters, non-lactose fermenters, late lactose fermenters. Lactose fermenters such as Escherichia coli, Klebsiella, Enterobacter produce pink colonies on McConkey agar medium due to lactose fermentation. They ferment lactose and convert into lactic acid. As a result, the indicator present in the McConkey agar medium turns into pink color. Pink color indicate they are lactose fermenters. Non-lactose fermenters, Salmonella, Shigella, these are non-lactose fermenters. They are unable to ferment lactose. They do not convert lactose into lactic acid, so they form colorless colonies on the medium. And late lactose fermenters, Vibrio cholerae is a late lactose fermenter. First it produces colorless colonies. On prolonged incubation, these colonies turns into pink. Blood agar medium is a differential medium. Other differential medium is blood agar medium. Blood agar medium, on blood agar medium, hemolytic bacteria, they cause lysis of red blood cells and form colonies surrounded by hemolytic zone on blood agar medium. Blood agar medium is a enriched and differential medium. It differentiates different bacteria into three groups: alpha hemolytic bacteria, beta hemolytic bacteria, non-hemolytic or gamma hemolytic bacteria. Alpha hemolysis, bacterial colonies are surrounded by greenish zone of discoloration due to partial disruption of red blood cells. Partial hemolysis. These bacteria are called alpha hemolytic bacteria. Example: Streptococcus viridans, Streptococcus pneumococci. Beta hemolysis. What is beta hemolysis? Beta hemolysis, colonies are surrounded by clear colorless zone of hemolysis due to complete disruption of red blood cells by bacteria. Bacteria produce hemolysins which completely disrupt the red blood cells. These bacteria are called beta hemolytic bacteria. Example: Streptococcus pyogenes. Pathogenic bacteria on blood agar produce beta hemolysis. No hemolysis or gamma hemolysis. Some bacteria, they do not produce hemolytic zone. Colonies are not surrounded by hemolytic zone. It is called no hemolysis or gamma hemolysis. These bacteria are called gamma hemolytic bacteria. Example: Streptococcus fecalis produce gamma hemolysis, no hemolysis. Indicator media. What is indicator medium? Indicator medium contains an indicator which changes color when a bacterium grows in it. Such medium is called indicator medium. Example is Wilson-Blair bismuth sulfite medium. It is an indicator medium for Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi. Salmonella typhi on this medium produce jet black color colonies with metallic sheen due to reduction of sulfite to sulfide by Salmonella typhi. While Salmonella paratyphi A form green colonies because it do not reduce sulfite to sulfide. McLeod potassium tellurite blood agar medium is an indicator and selective medium for Corynebacterium diphtheriae. 0.04% potassium tellurite in the medium inhibits the growth of most other bacteria and allow the growth of Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Corynebacterium diphtheriae reduce tellurite to metallic tellurium, which is incorporated into colonies, giving them grey or black colonies. Biochemical media. What is biochemical medium? Biochemical medium, culture media which are used for biochemical tests are called biochemical media. For example, peptone water medium is used for indole test. Tryptone water medium is used for indole test. Glucose phosphate peptone water medium is used for methyl red test and Voges-Prosker test. Simmons citrate medium or Kozer citrate media are used for citrate utilization test. Sugar media consists of 1% of sugar in peptone water medium along with an indicator, Andre's indicator. Andre's indicator 0.005% acid fuchsin in 1 normal NaOH. A small tube known as Durham's fermentation tube is kept inverted in the culture tube containing sugar medium for detection of acid production. For organisms which require additional nutrients for growth such as pneumococci, his serum water medium containing parts of ox serum and 3 parts of 1% sugar in peptone water is used. Various sugars such as arabinose, xylose, dextrose, mannose, lactose, sucrose, maltose, raffinose, glycerol, sorbitol, polysaccharides like starch, glycogen can be used in medium, and media containing different sugars are used to test fermentation activity of test organism. If test organism degrades sugar to acid, pH of the medium decreases. Andre's indicator imparts color. So medium turns into yellow color when acid is produced. Pink color indicate no acid production. If organisms produce gas in fermentation, gas accumulates in the Durham tube. That is indicated by gas bubble formation. Some bacteria produce both acid and gas. Some produce acid only. Some do not ferment sugar. So no gas, no acid. Transport media. These are used to transport delicate microorganisms which may not survive time taken for transporting the specimen to the laboratory or may be overgrown by non-pathogens present in the specimen. Special media are devised for transporting the clinical specimens collected in rural areas for transporting into the laboratory located in the cities. These media are called transport media. Examples: Carey Blair transport medium is a buffered solution of sodium chloride, sodium thioglycolate and disodium phosphate and calcium chloride at pH 8.4. It is used to transport Shigella, Salmonella and Vibrio. Stourt's transport medium is a non-nutrient soft agar gel containing a reducing agent to prevent oxidation and charcoal to neutralize certain bacterial inhibitors for gonococci and Clostridia. It is used to transport gonococci and Clostridia. Pike's medium is used for transport of Streptococcus pyogenes. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan medium is used to transport Vibrio cholerae in clinical specimens. Anaerobic bacteria require absence of oxygen in culture medium, reduced oxidation reduction potential and extra nutrients. In culture media, some substances such as 1% glucose, 0.1% thioglycolate, 0.1% ascorbic acid, 0.05% cysteine or red hot iron filings are added to make it anaerobic medium. These substances absorb oxygen and turns medium anaerobic. Examples to anaerobic media include Robertson cooked meat medium is commonly used to grow Clostridium species. It contains a 2.5 centimeter column of bullock heart meat and 15 ml nutrient broth. Before use, the medium should be boiled in water bath to expel any dissolved oxygen and then sealed with sterile liquid paraffin. It is used for isolation of Clostridium species. Thioglycolate broth. It is another anaerobic media. Thioglycolatic broth contains sodium thioglycolate, glucose, cysteine, yeast extract and casein hydrolysate. It also contains methylene blue or risazurin, is an oxidation reduction potential indicator. Under reduced conditions, methylene blue is colorless and in oxidized state it becomes blue. Thioglycolate broth is used for cultivation of anaerobic bacteria such as Clostridium species. Thank you for listening the lecture on microbial culture media. Thank you.